What's up guys, my name is Troubleshoot and today I'll be showing you how you can access your saved passwords from within Firefox. So first of all, you'll obviously need a saved password, so I'll go ahead and log in here. If you hit save, you'll be able to access it at a later time. So let's log out. As you can see, there's a password saved here, but copying it will do absolutely nothing. If you forget this password and would like to retrieve it, hit the 3 bars in the top right. Options, Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you see Logins and Passwords. Hit Saved Logins. And you'll see your username here. Right-click, copy password, and you're able to paste it in here if you'd like to know what it is. Of course, you can also hit Show Passwords, hit Yes, and you'll see your passwords in the column right here. If you'd like to remove it, click it and hit Remove. Thank you all for watching. My name has been Troubleshoot. Hit the like button if this video helped you, and I'll see you around on the internet.